Pakistan has been giving weapons to the people killing American soldiers. India has not been doing that. Pakistan ain't going to get one more penny from the United States. Pakistan isn't going to get their weapons, which they have turned around and used to murder Americans. Pakistan is going to have to understand that the people of the United States know when they're being treated like fools and like enemies. And we will go to people who are our friends rather than someone like Pakistan who helps the murderers of Americans. We have trusted Pakistan way too long, and they have played us like suckers. We have, Pakistan is the embodiment. The Pakistani government, the ISI, is the embodiment of radical Islam that slaughters people in the name of their own religion. They have been providing the guns, the ammunition, and the support system. That's why Osama bin Laden ended up for 8 years sitting right next door to the ISI headquarters.